Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Ocugen. I've talked about them a couple times. I bought some shares, and yeah, I don't know now. It may be going back down even more, so we'll just have to wait and see. Like I said, I've done a couple videos on them. The trend looks good. I mean, it's got these $3 run-ups to $15.60 or $15.81, and then it falls back down to the $8, $5 range, runs up again. And I was hoping to catch one of those, so I started acquiring some shares, and there you can see it traded kind of flat. Had another run up in November, and now it's going back down, so I started buying some shares. Again, this is Ocugen, ticker OCGN. I got 26 shares here at a cost basis of $4.77. If you don't know much about this one, watch some of my other videos. They have some things to cure eye diseases. They're also working on a vaccine. Founded in 2013, volume of 4.12 million, the average of 15.91, with a $930 million market cap. 52-week low of $1.40 and a high of $18.77. Next is expected on March 17th in the pre-market for next earnings. And here you can see I just bought some on the 31st, the 450, 459 range, 465. A couple different, looks like it was going down, so I was buying more, but we shall see what happens with this one. So again, like I said, I got into it as I saw these trends, but don't know if we'll see one of those again or not. I mean, there was one here in February when they started doing the vaccine talk, but here in the last 3 months it's actually down. In the last month it's down. In the last week it's down over 15%, and here's a look at it today. So it's, I don't know what's going on. I got some information coming out here. Microsoft Bing is showing it as a buy. Noble Capital Market slashes price target on Ocugen. Find out why. This is dated on the 3rd. So yesterday. Closed the trading session at 455 on 12/31. At the end of the year, the day's price range saw the stock hit a low of $4.53. While the highest price level was $4.88, the company reported on December 30th of 2021 that Ocugen partner Bharat Biotech announces positive immunogenicity and safety data from Covaxin. You can read there. I'm not going to say this, and sometimes you get demonetized for that, but we'll just pass that. But the whole virus generated a broad antibody response comparable to those seen in the large phase 3 trial in adults in 18 or older. Adverse events were primarily mild, and no serious adverse events were noted. Feel free to pause and go over the rest there. It talks about the weekly performance. Kind of already went over some of that information. Based on careful and fact-backed analysis by Wall Street, the current consensus on the price target for Ocugen is $8.88. So even at that case, I'm still going to look good. So here is what you look for in Ocugen, and this is just dated here today. So priced at $4.72 in the most trading session. At the very opening of the session, the stock price was $4.57, reached a high of $4.90. Prior to the closing of the session, it reached a value of $4.55. The stock touched a low price of $4.45. Recently in news on December 30th, Ocugen partner Bharat Biotech announces positive immunogenicity and safety data from Covaxin. Kind of already went over that information. The 1-year price target of the company's stock It's recorded at $4.90 on 1/30 of 2022, with the lowest price value was $4.46 for the same time period recorded on 1/3 of 2022. Ocugen full year performance was 53.75%. The company shares operating in the sector of the healthcare managed top trading volume set approximately around for the day, which was evidently lower when compared to the average daily volumes of the shares. Over here to Reddit. Ocugen to the moon. Ocugen already at $12.90. That was 2 months ago. I'd be happy to have hit 10 again, or just went up, got my money back out of it. It's not going to do much now, but we'll just have to wait and see. You never know on this one. It's been up and down, and if I can catch one of those $10, $15 runs, I'd be happy. So low of $1.40, high of $18.77 with a $872 million market cap. Barat, get the checkbook out. That will solve things. There you go. Good reading. Give it patience. I know it's Tuesday, but y'all have quite impressive and giving Monday a run for its money. Not much other information in there to help us out over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a buy. And here on Tip Ranks, showing it as a moderate buy with 134% upside to $10.33, high of 15, low of 6. But that's all that I have on Ocugen. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you have on this one that we could share and compare notes and make money off of this one and see if we can get it back up to 15 again. That would be awesome. So that was the plan when I first started buying. So, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.